from Nunavut. I'm from a small Inuit community. I am Inuk, and I'm so interested in going, and I'm finding out about that knowledge from my elders. But it's also an opportunity for me to sort of bridge that gap that exists between the Western science and the Inuit knowledge, and so I can work within that space and hopefully bring the two a little bit closer together in my own way.
And we're going to look at some of the challenges at the knowledge-action interface. So
producing knowledge by communities.
In the old days, government scientists more or less made the decisions, but now we have a much better recognition of local knowledge, indigenous knowledge, and we know its relevance, for example, in detecting early signs of climate change.
The challenges before us, when we look long-term, with climate change, with changed use of the Arctic, and the interaction between these challenges are of such proportions that we have to use the best available knowledge.
I think it's very important that we are here and that we are heard. We've been saying this for a long time, that we need to merge traditional knowledge with Western science and try to collaborate.
Today we're starting with Indigenous and local knowledge informing policy and decision making.
I think cooperation means people of different backgrounds with different things to say coming together and finding a space in which those conversations allow new insights and new kinds of wisdom to emerge.
If there's any activity happening in our region, it goes through the screening process.
It goes there first?
It goes there first. And now they have to start listening to what we have to say too and integrate them both so we can work together, you know. And in some cases, we still have a difficult time to do that.
The song we sang before we danced in goes back to 10,000 years because it goes with a story about the migration of our people.
In addition to the exchange of knowledge, there really has to be an understanding, and it's so difficult when you are hearing from someone who's from a different context than you are to really understand what they're sharing with you in the same way that they understand it, because you didn't grow up in the same place, you're not from the same land.
It's important that people see what we eat in the north.
Fantastic.
Yeah? What are you guys having?
I believe it's muskox stew. It's very good.
We're all people, so I don't see why it is that we can't all work together. With the exchanges that are going on here at IPY, you have people from the communities, I've seen so many Inuit here and other Indigenous groups, so it's that opportunity for all of us to begin that dialogue and to start talking and to start really working together towards collaborative, inclusive research that's going to have outcomes that are going to realize that human dimension there and begin helping each other, I think.